small business owners think they have a productivity issue, but it's actually a bottleneck issue. A bottleneck is a specific point where tasks slow down or pile up. Inefficiencies in your business process will, no joke, limit your company's growth. Watch for repeated delays, employee downtime, or growing backlogs. These signs often lead directly to the source of the problem. Document every step in your process. Time each task. Identify who owns each part. When you track tasks using the latest software or just a spreadsheet, patterns will emerge. I personally did a 30-day experiment at my last real job where I asked all employees to document their daily schedule for a month. Upon examination, I found that many were repeating tasks in unnecessary meetings and doing other things that were not related to reaching a daily or weekly company objective. That's often where the bottlenecks begin. Break down what happens from the start to the finish in each process, in each step, and look for slow handoffs or overused resources. You can't fix anything until you know where it's broken. Another source of bottlenecks is delayed communication. Poor communication can cost your small business a lot in lost customers, time, missed deadlines, damaged reputation, and of course, money. In small businesses, this looks like waiting on approvals, slow responses, or unclear instructions. I recommend small companies use shared dashboards, centralized notes, and clear checklists to reduce miscommunication. I went old school and use a 4-foot by 6-foot whiteboard right now. Speed matters, especially when you're small. Automation removes bottlenecks. If a task happens regularly and it doesn't require decision making, it can usually be automated using current technology. There are a number of automation tools that can cut hours of labor every week. Yes, there is a learning curve when implementing automation tools in the short run. Reducing human error and freeing up time directly impacts your ability to streamline your company and move faster as a business in the long run. Your scheduling process might be the problem. If your business requires a scheduling process to get things done, poor scheduling creates invisible bottlenecks. If too much work is assigned to one person while other people wait, the scheduling flow may break down, which could become a major operational challenge. Use time blocking, shift assignments, or even basic calendar planning to evenly distribute workload. Overloading key people stops progress. And don't be afraid to stop process and ask questions. When everything needs to be approved by the owner or 8 different managers that have nothing to do with the process, nothing moves forward quickly. Decentralized decision-making can significantly reduce bottlenecks in your small business. Allow trusted staff to make day-to-day decisions. Reserve your time as a manager or business owner for high-risk or strategic approvals. This clears up your role and eliminates task paralysis. If only one person knows how to perform a task, that person has the potential of becoming a built-in bottleneck. To reduce the risk of skill gap, cross-train your staff to ensure work doesn't stop when someone's sick, on vacation, or is overloaded. Flexibility keeps operations moving and protects your business from sudden disruptions. Not every step in the process adds value. Eliminate your process and determine what non-value adding tasks can be removed without harming output. A large percentage of work time is spent on steps that could be eliminated. Talk to your employees. Ask them to document the steps required to complete each specific task. Determine if there are any steps that can be eliminated. Streamlining processes helps your business move faster with less effort. Scattered documents and files create decision delays, especially when you have to look for something or some files are with that one employee who took the laptop on vacation. Use shared platforms to manage data efficiently. Train employees to use the shared platforms when working on documents and storage. When everything is in one place, your team can find what they need and act without delay. That's one less barrier in your process. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.